Hello, this is Greta. I thought I'd make a quick screencast to help you display a Creative Commons license in your Thinkspace blog as is required as part of our first assignment. I would like to create and display a Creative Commons license right there on the sidebar of my blog, which is why I opened this for you. I'm just going to copy the URL of my blog because I'm going to show you I'm going to need this in a moment. I've got a second tab open here, which is just a normal Google search. I just wanted to show you which page we're going to need on the Creative Commons website. So I search for Creative Commons, choose a license, and that is the page I need. It gives me already a suggested license that I can use as is. I wanted to make one change here. I wanted to say, yes, people can use and share adaptations of my work as long as I share it alike in the way that I made it. I'm not particularly worried if they're going to use this for commercial reasons or not. So this is what my license is going to look like. I can add to it slightly to make it easier for other people to do the attributions to me. So I'm going to click on this and I say the work that I am referring to is called Greta Reflecting, which is the name of my blog. And I'm going to add my name so that it's easier for them to reference me. And I'm going to paste the source URL, which is the URL of my blog. And that really is all I need. This is exactly what my license is going to look like. It's Creative Commons. I would like people to attribute it to me and to share it in the same way. And all the other information is right there. In this box is the URL, well, not the URL, the HTML code that I need to put this into my blog. So I highlight, select, and make sure that you use all of that. I copy it onto the clipboard and I go back to my blog. Under my blog, I can see widgets. And it lists a whole lot of widgets that I can use. I'm going to use a normal text widget, nothing fancy. I'm sure there are other ways to do this. I am going to use it in my sidebar as I showed you before. Lee suggested we put it in the footer, but I'll tell you what I found. This is my third module. And I find that because I've got quite a few blog entries already, I now have to scroll very far down to see the license. I think for me it's better to put it in the sidebar. So I add the widget. It's a text widget, as you can see. I just click on the text tab and I paste the HTML code that was created for me under the Creative Commons website. And I can see what it looks like by clicking on the visual tab. That is what it's going to add to my blog. I save this. But I have a couple of widgets already that I've added, which you might not have and might take. So I'm going to close this widget and just make sure that I drag it to be right at the top of my blog. So that's going to be my text widget. Let's go see what it looks like. If I go to Greta's Reflecting, I visit the site. There is my Creative Commons license. I hope that was easy enough. Please let me know if I can help in any way. I enjoy doing this.